What is going on? If this keeps up, those little eyes are going to suffer, and the brain is going to get rusty too. Don't worry, leave it to us.
I am Methodist. I may look small, but I am a real brain gem. With me, you can build a car, a castle, or a dinosaur, and play all kinds of brain training games. Flip, guess, and see who remembers best and finds things fastest. Before you know it, you become a little memory master. Math is not hard with me. Move your hands, play a little, and knowledge comes naturally. Thinking hard is no problem, either. Plan one step ahead and see 3 steps further. Quietly block your opponent's path, and the secret to winning is all in your mind.
I am Magneroad. If the tabletop is not big enough, stand up and let's build something truly big together. With a click, tall buildings rise from the ground, and rockets soar into the sky. You hand me one piece, I add another, and teamwork becomes that simple. Roleplay can begin anytime. You'll be the driver, I will be the passenger, and we can go anywhere we want. It also gets your body moving. Run, jump, adding puzzle games, and get smarter while breaking a sweat.
I am Cosmoto, and I can get your whole body fully energized. I am different from other equipment. Children can boot with me by themselves and easily change the play setup whenever they want something new, indoors or outdoors. I am in my element. Children can choose whatever they want, creating a complete play experience from movement to discovery.
For the 2026 National Preschool Education Awareness Month, the Ministry of Education calls on us to fully recognize the potential risks of children being exposed to digital products too early and too much. Place great importance on the value of children's real-life experiences and play.
And create a warm growth environment where children can stay close to nature and learn through first-hand experience.
Egoo focuses on children's authentic play experiences, nourishing their growth through hands-on thinking, cooperative exploration, and integrated physical and cognitive activity. In the digital age, Egoo is a warm and steady companion. Together with you, we safeguard childhood in the digital age.